You guys. Sorry. You know what? When it comes to busy, we have our targets, and this is what they do. Percent concentrated power of 5% pleasure of 50% me, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't with his name of life. He just wants to be heard together with the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else. In spite of the fact, it's some people that think of the no and the fuck him. He needs to cool. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making the stories, making sure his click stays down. That many puts it down, climbs, figured it out. Who the hell is he? He never really talks much, never concerned with status and living on the substruct. How much your opportunity gave it despite the fact that the English command the content they la boro wanna don't, hey. Wani gasni no garbani as come like kunen khila sonde sile de hani on gyana zuma kunen panga surde pele song chao ko sabai ne garin ji wa hayo ne dai mai yaw ne da zone da zone ne bi nai lo nai kana ko si nai nai haso ne no zam nai kepe tene ka alaba ne thong nai de khanda nai ne ku zene bi khaga ga mai kunen bai so bai ne zene gre kunen so bai tok chen dong ji lai bai ne ko se ko put some sum bai ne ra ha pa nai na ne ni sab ko mo ye ka bai ne sa ri min ko ku ma bai orang di maku song sampai dan macam yang song sampai dan muka lebih tebal sampai dan lainnya bantu domen tak yang gue terbikit lu tanah belah mana belum betul di mebel thai berhagen lu tanah belah mana belum betul di mebel thai berhagen lirik saya juga berzai bapa mana freestyle lo mazang dini pasti angin naik dini tridi bayar hari ni huwa ketan ni side away Honda hai gasani be Honda yang renai unsigang nenai dengan harsing ni tau galang na ay. Yeah, I'm speaking for my brothers. I never wanna feel like I never be another. Yeah, I'm just a killing, I'm a killing my vibe, and I really relate. I never wanna streak it, I'm a picking my vibe. Yeah. I got my brothers from Hustle Foot, from the box of town, and I never wanna kill you. Every time and in memories of day, I've been there for 2 years. You know, with these brothers out there. Jeni pasi na iba musuh purni bazar organik ni pasi na iba angni onsai na on chung thai na iba jeng dini mendai mumpang chene li pride choki ke bus hey hom ta hai gesani be hom ta hai hangrai na ye Leoda I got my brother from Bertola. You know what, my childhood meant no tola. Every time we had the memories in the rhyme, yeah, I'm going my mind and bring more in my time, yeah. There's a brother Joe bro from us straight down the city down the globe. I'm keeping with my memories and keeping with my right. And some of the brothers out there smiling down there. Everyone, wanna feel like I never wanna shit. You know what, this brother out when I never got a kid. He got some guts to get a blowjob. And you know what, this shit is really not the end with the horns up. My brother's so horny, he never got a feel. I never wanna skid it, I would never wanna real. And everyone's welcome, this is a business zone. And I'm keeping in my memories and keeping in my right. Business in my blood, hey bro.